Even though we can be lost during these trying times, we can be saved. Today I have a special edition. I'm going to be reviewing one of these Blue Apron meal delivery kits. My roommate from Oklahoma City, thank you Even, was kind enough to gift me with one of these from his subscription since they gave him a free one. So for those of you that are curious about how these actually work and what you get with them, you are lucky enough to find out. So, ta-da! The first thing that I noticed right away is that the boxes come with a sticker on the side. And on this sticker, it actually lists the ingredients and where they sourced them from, which is both really neat and good for you to know that all of your stuff is being sourced from good locations. This is the meal kit for 4 people. You know how my cooking videos usually have me trying to stretch out the meal to last the whole week? So I chose the plan for 4. That way it'll give me a good enough quantity so that I can try and do the same thing. The basic one is meals for 2, so you get a slightly smaller portion. It's also about half as much. This one is $72 a week. I'm actually spending anywhere from $50 to $70 a week normally for groceries anyway, so it's not even that much different than how you normally do groceries. So the first thing we're going to do is get this box open. Of course, this is kind of a fake unboxing because I already unboxed this for my live stream, but you are then presented with your 2 recipes for the week. On the website, you get to choose these. So these are the ones that I chose. They're also made out of this fancy cardstock. It's in color. It has pictures showing the steps along the way so you can see what it's supposed to look like. And you get a checklist as you do everything. So it makes it really easy to follow these instructions and have this nice meal. I'm gonna start by getting this cutting board out, that way I can lay the vegetables down without making them dirty. So we got 2 fresh poblanos, and then just kind of equal rations of everything. The way this works is they give you the exact amount you need to make the meal. So there's nothing extra that you're wasting. You're not throwing away any excess food. It works out perfectly. Not to mention, this gets delivered to your door, so you don't even have to go shopping anymore because it's already there once you get home from work. At this point, we get to the little separator that they have. Nice advertising. And under here we have ice packs, and then the meat is sandwiched between the ice packs, which is good because that's the part that you want to stay cold the longest. And there's the other one. Yeah, just like that. And that is everything. You can see each of these items comes in their own individually labeled package with the exact ratio you need for the meal. These knick-knack bags have the seasonings and the sauces that come with it, so you even get those in the exact ratio you need. So no need to buy extra seasonings like all the stuff I have here. No need for this. And there's no waste at the end. The good news is each of these bags is recyclable. So once you're done with all of your food preparation, you get to recycle all the bags, so there's no waste going to the dump either. To recap, you sign up for your weekly meal deliveries. The website lets you choose the recipes you want actually, so these are the ones I chose. You get them packaged up, they send them to you overnight. You get a box that has all of the ingredients you need in exact ratios, and then you get the instructions. You make your food, you have a good time, and at no point do you need to go to the store because you've got everything right here. And that makes it easy. So yeah, I hope you find this helpful and it gives you a good idea of what Blue Apron has to offer, I guess. It seems pretty good. I really like this idea. So thanks. And before I forget, feel free to watch the videos of me actually making these recipes so you can see how good these turn out for me. because I'm excited.